Look at our Earth from far, far away. What do you see with your curious eyes? Swirls of beautiful deep blue, patches of rich green and brown. The blue is water. These are the Earth's mighty sprawling oceans. The green and brown is land. These are our vast, solid continents. Our home planet is a stunning mosaic of these two parts, a truly special and vibrant place in the vast, silent universe. Let us explore this magnificent home of ours together, shall we? Continents are truly enormous areas of landmass. Imagine great solid platforms rising majestically from the seafloor. There are 7 of these magnificent landmasses on our Earth. We call them Asia, the largest, Africa, rich in wildlife, and North America. Then there is the diverse continent of South America, icy Antarctica at the pole, and historic Europe. And finally, Australia, often called Oceania, when including its many nearby islands. Each one is unique, with its own fascinating shape and remarkable features. They are spread across our globe like giant, ancient puzzle pieces. Now let us turn our gaze to the vast, shimmering blue oceans. These are immense, deep bodies of salty water. They cover most of our planet's beautiful surface. There are 5 great oceans that we generally recognize: the enormous Pacific, the world's largest, the busy Atlantic, and the warm Indian Ocean. Up north, near the top of the world, lies the chilly Arctic Ocean, and surrounding the icy continent of Antarctica is the wild, formidable Southern Ocean. They all connect seamlessly, forming one vast, interconnected global sea. If you could somehow flatten the Earth, what would you find? You would see that water covers a truly huge part of it. About 71% of our Earth is covered by water. That is nearly 3/4 of the entire surface of our world. Land, where we mostly live, makes up the remaining 29%. This is precisely why Earth is often called the blue planet. From the quiet darkness of space, the blue of the oceans truly dominates the view. It is a world of water, teeming with countless mysteries and wonders. Our Earth is like a giant spinning sphere, journeying through space. We can divide this sphere into 2 equal halves, north and south. These halves are known as the Northern Hemisphere and the Southern Hemisphere. Interestingly, you will find that land is not spread out evenly between them. The Northern Hemisphere actually contains much more of the Earth's land. Conversely, the Southern Hemisphere is dominated by much more ocean water. This particular distribution greatly affects climates and life in different regions. It creates a fascinating and delicate balance across our diverse planet. Besides the great continents, there are many smaller pieces of land. These are islands, like jewels dotted across the vast, rolling oceans. Some are incredibly tiny, just mere specks of land in the endless blue. Others are quite large indeed, home to many people and unique cultures. Thousands upon thousands of islands exist all around the world. They are like little pieces of continents, set adrift in the sea. Each island is a miniature world of its own, often with unique species. They add wonderfully to the rich variety of Earth's diverse lands. The 5 great oceans may have different names on our maps, but they are not truly separate from each other, you see. They are all interconnected, flowing seamlessly into one another. Imagine a single, vast, continuous body of water enveloping the globe. This is our global ocean, a continuous and dynamic expanse. Great ocean currents move water between them like enormous hidden rivers. This constant connection is absolutely vital for countless sea creatures. It also plays a crucial role in regulating our Earth's overall climate. Continents, too, have their own interesting connections and separations. Sometimes, very narrow strips of land manage to join them together. We call such a formation an isthmus, acting much like a land bridge. The Isthmus of Panama, for instance, connects North America and South America. At other times, significant water bodies like seas or straits keep them apart. This geographical layout has affected how animals and plants moved long ago. It has profoundly shaped the unique forms of life found on each continent. It is a grand, unfolding story of movement, evolution, and sometimes isolation. The oceans play an absolutely huge and critical role in our daily weather. They are like giant, powerful engines driving global weather systems. Water evaporates from the warm ocean surface, rising high into the atmosphere. This water vapor then forms clouds, which can travel far over the land. These clouds bring us precious rain, which is utterly vital for all life. Without these essential ocean rains, much of the land would become barren desert. Oceans also absorb vast amounts of heat and then release it slowly, keeping temperatures quite stable. They are truly the primary climate regulators of our entire planet. Within these vast, deep oceans, life flourishes with incredible abundance. From the absolutely tiniest plankton, many barely visible to our naked eyes, to the truly magnificent blue whale, the largest animal ever to have lived on Earth. Coral reefs, like bustling underwater cities, teem with vibrant, colorful fish. Deep down in the dark abyss, strange and wonderful creatures thrive in crushing pressure. The ocean provides a vital source of food for millions of people globally. And tiny ocean plants, phytoplankton, produce much of the very oxygen we breathe. It is a world of almost unbelievable biodiversity, mystery, and constant wonder. Continents, our extensive land masses, are equally vital for the existence of life. They provide the grand stage for an amazing and dazzling variety of creatures. Think of the lush, green rainforests, absolutely full of chattering birds and playful monkeys. Or picture the wide, open grasslands where great herds of animals roam freely. Even harsh, arid deserts and towering, cold mountains have their own special, adapted life. Plants of all imaginable kinds grow on land, providing essential food and shelter. And of course, continents are where most human beings make their homes and build societies. Each continent boasts its own unique and precious tapestry of flora and fauna. Both the mighty oceans and the solid continents can show their immense, raw power. Sometimes this incredible power can be quite destructive to life and landscapes. Oceans can bring forth powerful, swirling storms, like hurricanes and cyclones. Giant, devastating waves called tsunamis can also sweep far inland from the coast. On land, the very earth beneath our feet can shake with powerful earthquakes. Volcanoes, mountains of fire, can erupt, spewing hot lava, gas, and ash. These dramatic natural events continuously shape the land and the sea. They serve as a constant reminder of our planet's dynamic and ever-changing nature. We humans depend deeply and intricately on both oceans and continents. The magnificent oceans give us so very much, day after day. Food, like fish and various shellfish, is a vital resource for many communities. We use the vast seas for travel and to transport all sorts of goods. Many people across the world enjoy the ocean for recreation, fun, and relaxation. Continents, on the other hand, provide us with the essential land to grow our food. We build our homes, our bustling cities, and our extensive roads upon them. Our lives are completely and utterly intertwined with these crucial natural environments. But sadly, our magnificent and life-giving oceans are facing many grave dangers. Pollution, in its many forms, is a very serious and growing problem indeed. Harmful plastics and dangerous chemicals are causing terrible harm to marine animals. Too much fishing, a practice we call overfishing, is rapidly emptying our seas of life. Climate change is relentlessly making the oceans warmer and considerably more acidic. This, in turn, is severely damaging delicate and vital ecosystems like coral reefs. Global sea levels are also rising, posing a significant threat to coastal areas and communities. We must act with urgency and determination before it is too late for our precious oceans. Our continents too, the lands we inhabit, are under great and increasing pressure from human actions. Vast forests, the lungs of our planet, are being cut down at an alarming rate. This widespread deforestation leads to a tragic loss of homes for countless animals. It also causes precious topsoil to wash away, rendering fertile land barren and unproductive. Pollution from factories, agriculture, and our cities unfortunately harms our land and fresh water. As a result, many unique plant and animal species are becoming endangered, some critically. The delicate and intricate balance of nature on land is being seriously disturbed. We need to learn to be much gentler and more considerate with our lands. Our oceans and continents are truly precious, irreplaceable gifts to humanity. They provide everything we need to live, to survive, and to thrive. It is our solemn duty, our profound responsibility to protect and cherish them. Every single one of us, young or old, has a significant role to play. We can all strive to reduce our waste and use natural resources more wisely. We can actively support dedicated efforts to clean up existing pollution. We must learn to live in greater harmony and respect with the natural world, for the future of our remarkable planet, and indeed, for all life it sustains.